ke mau tamai whae wane a whiona, mau hanga atu pia mo e loto whawheta. O ngā ia mo oni ko uhi ko e whua ki ho alo ko sisu kalaisi. Ke hei fo pe laura huhu i ke wha more more e mau ngai hanga hala. Ko mau whawheta e whenga maari e ko mau mau ke mau to e whakakakato ai a Polokalama. Ne tue ka Ikale Vakai Univeesi. Pia mei he le tio vi pon mitia. Sivesta tonga. O mau kore ke kau mo ke mau tolu e Polokalama amana ke mau o talanoa ki ai mau kore o lau maari e ke tokonia ki mau tolu. Ya ke hoko e ngai mea te mau whatalanoa ai. Pa me ke langa hake ai. A e mau mo ui ke whakatupula ke mau opa ke te koe. Pea ia e whoki ai hangai whenga maari e ke tokoni isi whanau wako me tonga ke nau hao o lava mai o ako i Amerikani. Whakakakato e maulo tū, tāpua kina e tonga kutukotoa pē, wonga tuki ai e Polokalama ne tueka Ikale Vakai Univeesi. Lo tuea ku mau whai o whalai kua whio e wafo alko si sukalaisi. Amen. O mau, kore ke mau whakatulo watu pēr mo e hau e ngahi hau, ko helo o tua ko e toa he tau. Ai o tua ku a ana e Univeesi. Pea ku punou ki ai, ai tangata kutukotoa pē. Pea ku a ana ai tari lotu, pea mo e whakaola e ngahi kore mo whakaai e ngahi tautapa o whai ke te ia. Tapea mo e na awhiwhio tupo ono ko e tui o tutonga. Kau mai taine kuinina na spau tuku aha ko e whehuhu ai whonua. Tapa tupo ke pirinis kalau ni tupo toa au kālala. Kau mai hoe ki no pere whonua. Tapa pea mo e paremia, kau mai hoe minista. Tapa mo se e wharearea, kau mai hoe ki whapoponga e wharearea. Tapa tupo ki he kau paresteni, kau takiloto e ngai siasi, iho tau whonua, kau mai si kau whaifkau. Patapat foki ki he hoe ki mātua tau whonua, kau maa e kau matapure. Tapat pia mo e kau pure whawahe, kau mai kau fisikolo. Pea awat mua e tala whakatapu e ne tueka Ikale Vakai Univeesi, ki he tonga kotokotoa pe, o ku mo whanongo mai me ha wheitu pe mamani, ki he tau Polokalama, pea mo ne tueka Ikale Vakai i he whiawhini, pea mei he le tio vipon mitia a Sivesta tonga pea mei nusila. O ngā whiawhia apito, i he mahino ka te mautoro ko lava lelei foki a e whiri o e tau kau whapoponga wharearea, pea ko malawa eni ke ko tuha ngahi hingoa, i he ngahi lotu o ku pai, ko hike tāpue kina ki nau tolu, ko whiri ke nau hoko koe kau whapoponga, o koe whoke tau nofo amanaki atu, ki ha tau paremia, ke whiri. Pea koe Polokalama o e whiawhini o ku tala monu atu, ai ne tueka Ikale Vakai, ki ha whiri paremia e whai e he kau whapoponga. Kawange pe ke moulawa o whiri hataha, ke ne hoko ko e paremia, ke hoko atu hono tataki, ono ngā we i ho tau whonua i he tau e wha ka hoko mai. Ka lolotonga ia o ku ngā ue ai ne tueka Ikale Vakai, ki hono whingai mai o tau whanau pia mei tonga. Hange ko ia o ku ilo au pito ki ai tokolahi o ku nau mui mui i he Polokalama koe ni ai Ikale Vakai, ko e tau ki Apiako Community College o ku i Trenton i Missouri, o ku nau tokoni apito ke tari a e tau whanau wako pia mei tonga koe o ku osi lava e nau high schoolu ke nau o mai o korisi mai ki Amerikani. Ko ia o ku iai foki a e tau whanau ko osi tari he Apiako e nau ngahi applicationi, pia i he whiawhine o kau whakataha pia mo lupe malafu pia mei Berlin siamane ka e umaafoki a Henrietta Ponua pia mei tonga Pea Silvesta ko fia ke whaiha whakatalanoa pia mo yonga tamai koe ni. Ko hui he koe ngahi mea koe ko na osi whakahoko. Whia mauia ke whanongo ki ai ai kaureka koe o ku kamata ke nau whakapono mai nau application-i. Pea i he taim te tau pe ka pau ki ai hataha whanongo mai i he ngalu ea o ku whia mau ke o mai haane whehui. E sai apito ke nau o mai ai pe mai nau pehu I ke whai atai pe ai whakatalanoa ki ai. Koe mau inga ai Polokalama koe ni ke ilo e he tamai ki ako koe ni ko nau osi me high school I tonga o ku iai ai whainga maarie ke nau hau o ako I Amerikani. Pea ke ilo foki e he kakai tonga koe o ku nofo muri o ku malawa ke nau tokoni ki he Polokalama koe ni koe uhi o ku whie mau ai sponsor ki he reka takitaha me he apiako kai toki lava o fuaki ange haane I-20. Koe uhi o ku whie mau ke ilo e he kau papalangi koe ni o ku nau whanonga ki he tau Polokalama Silvesta. Pea kou tui o ku lelei apito ke whaiha whakapotala noa pea moe ngā tamaiki. Pea mo lupe mo Henrietta I he rea whapalangi. Ko hi ke lava whanongo mai ki ai kakai muri koe ku nau whanongo ki he tau Polokalama. E magatua ngai ha nau tokoni mai. Silvester, I have to change gear and use the English language for our program tonight for the sake of non-Tongan those who speak English so they can understand what we are trying to do, especially trying to bring kids from the Kingdom of Tonga that they have been graduated from high school and continue their education here in the United States of America to a community college, 2 years community college in Trenton, Missouri. We have 2 students in this program, Lupe and Henrietta, that they already applied to this North Central Missouri College, and they already have accepted their application. We are now on a situation that they need sponsorship. And I'd like to explain the requirements for sponsorship from North Central Missouri College. A sponsor is a relative or an organization that they have at least a balance of $20,000 in their bank account. They have to write a letter of sponsor to the director of the international student of North Central Missouri College, which those informations are included on all the requirements that the kids already have. But when they send that to the college or to the director of international student, then the North Central Missouri College can email an I-20 to each kid. And that I-20, they will use it, or the student will use it to apply for the student visa to the U.S. Embassy. So they have to contact the U.S. Embassy, set up an appointment, and then go for the interview for their visa. So when the kids get their visa, then they will come here to the United States. Then we go from there, because we have we have set up accommodations for all the children that they will come. We buy property in a walking distance to this North Central Missouri College, so the kids can come and live in there and go to school in a walking distance. So Henrietta and Lupe, I think this is our perfect opportunity for you to uh, just to talk to your families here in the United States or throughout the world. And also, please explain the steps that you did when you apply so that the rest of the kids back home can duplicate what you did, because they need to apply too. But because you already did, then you tell like those kids that they are needed to apply, because I've sent links to a number of kids and they are on the process of applying right now. So I'll give you the time and feel free to speak English or speak Tongan. It's okay with me. And if there's any questions, Sylvester, if anybody have any questions, you can tell us. Thanks. Lupe, Sylvester, are the girls still there?
Yes, Lupe is still here.
Okay.
Lupe?
You can go ahead, Lupe.
Let's see. Okay, okay, on my telephone, Lupe. It's still on,
Okay.
but uh, Lupe is not there.
Okay. Probably here. She might have some technical problem. Henrietta, are you still there?
Oh, they're both out. They're both
Okay.
out. Yeah.
I will just, Sylvester, is there any questions?
No, still no question now.
Okay. I think it's good that I'll let the world know of what we are trying to do here.
Yeah.
I have been talking to one of the president of alumni here in the United States, and the reason why I did that because all the alumni, all the high school alumni here in the U.S. They have some sort of account. They have a bank account. They have they have a lot of money in it. Some of them have millions. And I wanna I wanna I wanna tell them that they can sponsor. They can use their account to sponsor their kids from their high school to be able to continue their education here in America. I think to have that understanding and have that approved by their board of directors, and they can help. All the alumni here in the United States can do that. Uh, Ladies and gentlemen, for us who lives in the United States, in order to bring these kids from the island, I've been asking all the Tongan community here in the United States, to come together and unite and help our sons and daughters to continue their education here in America. And in order for us to do that, it is very easy. If you can donate $100 and think about it, if you can donate $100 for this course, 10,000 people will make $1 million. It's that simple. I have asked everyone, and I've been talking about this all this time. The only solution to get all our sons and daughters who are graduated from high school to be able to continue their education here in the United States of America, if only our community, if only our Tongan community uh, get together and donate $100, it will solve the problem. So I'll leave it up to you. So when you feel like it, when you can donate $100, and all these kids can come. I know that the parents back home have relatives around the world. And every time I talk to a child back home, I also wanted to talk to their mom and their dad. And the reason why, because when I talk to their parents, I want to clarify, the safety, the needs, the situations, how the child is going to come and how they're going to live and how they can make a little bit of money because they have a student visa plus a work visa. So they will have that legal standard to be able to study in America and also to work in America. And they can make a little bit of money. And it will help their expenses, and it can even help their family back home. But to communicate with parents, it's a must. So we know each other, we can understand each other, and then we we talk to the child himself or herself, so she has the understanding of what conditions she's gonna come and face when he comes to America, especially when you come from a warm island. As we know, the climate back home, it's nice and warm, but in Missouri there is a season, it's cold and it's snow. So we want to tell you that, when you come, you're gonna face those challenges. But apart from that, the best opportunity for a child, for his or her future, is to bring her right after graduated from high school to attend this college here in the United States of America. Not only for their education purpose, but also to develop themselves in this country where there are so many opportunities work-wise, because the college can train them and have a skill, a particular skill, to be able to find a job in America. For example, this North Central Missouri College, they have a nursing program, leading to a registered nurse. And there is always a demand here in America for registered nurses. So there you go. All the opportunities there. Hope that the girls can come back in. But Henrietta, I want to talk about her and Lupe. They have been in this program for quite some time. And Henrietta was a student in Pula College. And Lupe, here she is, and she's back in the air. And I rather leave it up to her to introduce herself and go from there. Thanks, Lupe.
Thank you so much for this opportunity. So, first and foremost, I would like to say, I would like to thank Heavenly Father for gathering us for this special program, and also to reintroduce myself again. My name is Lupe Malafu. I come from Tonga, and I live in Maufanga, and I went to school in Upfall College, and then I finished from Tonga High School. And I was happy to be part of this program, thanks to Viliami. And this is a great opportunity for us to go to the country of milk and honey, which is America. And this opportunity is a chance for us who finished high school back home in Tonga to have a better education as well, also a better future, and also another opportunity to help our families back home to improve a living environment, and also to help other kids as well who wants to reach their dreams, but it's impossible because of financial part. And I was lucky enough to be part of this program. So yeah, that's all I would love to say. Thank you.
Right now, I'm in Hawaii, Lupe,
Yeah.
and I have been asking people about the Malafu family, and I was
Ah,
told that some of your dad's family are here in Hawaii. I am in Laie right now, but
mhm,
most of the Malafu people are in another island. So
mhm.
I will try and contact them. But it's good that you talk about your mom and your dad.
Yeah.
Tell the world about them and their families, their relatives, so that the world knows.
Okay. I am the daughter of Sioeli Bibonu Malafu, and also Baya Forgeti Tataf Malafu. So my dad is a grandchild of Siaki Malafu of Maufanga Niu and Nomuka. And he is the eldest son of Nehumi Kinkinlau Malafu, and I am the granddaughter of Nehumi Kinkinlau Malafu. And also, I would also like to ask all the Malafu in Hawaii right now, from my dad's side, if you're seeing me right now, I humbly ask all of you if I really much appreciate it if you have the time or whatever you give, donation or help. It would mean so much, not only to me, but also the other kids in this program to fulfill our dream of continuing our studies and also improve our future and also help our families. It's whatever you may give, just know that the man upstairs or God is watching. Your help means a lot. And like the saying, the more you give and the more blessings upon your household. And also to my mom's side, she came from Leimatua, Hateho, and also Folaha and Fasi. If you're all out there in Hawaii currently, I would humbly appreciate it if you can donate whatever you can give. It would mean so much, not only to me, but also the other kids involved in this program to help us with our dream of furthering our studies in USA. And not only my families that I also ask, or I would also like to ask again to the Leimatua community. I'm also a Leimatua myself. I'm the grandchild of Fogeti from Leimatua Vava'o. If you're hearing this as well, whatever you can help, it would mean a lot, not only to me, but also the kids in this program, and also the ex-students of Fall College, and also the ex-students of Tonga High School. It would mean a lot if you help. And also whoever is hearing this program, whatever whatever you can give from your heart sincerely, it will mean so much, not only to me, but also the kids, to bring our kids to further and improve their education through this program is an opportunity come once in a lifetime. And the more you give, again, I will also say it again, is the more blessings will be blessed upon your household. You may never know you are giving your help or donations to one of the kids here that will also do become a prime minister in the near future and help our government as well. But also this, your every help also count into our hearts sincerely, and we will also appreciate it a lot. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Lupe.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, when you hear these kids talking, I tell you, These are children that they will develop our motherland. They will, they are the leaders of the future. And if we can help these kids, guarantee, guarantee a better future for their lives, for their future families, for their churches, for their community, and for our country. We will train these kids to reach out for the children who will be in need in the future. We're going to plant this seed inside their heart, and they will grow up to be people that they will help the kids of our future. So I want you to know that every droplet will fill up a cup, and every cup will make the ocean. And it's true. Even a little droplet that you can give to help, it will mean a lot. And I have other kids that they have been applied. I have 10 names already approved by the college. I have names still processing their application. And these kids are applying. They will be able to attend semester in August 2022. So August next year, these kids can applying, they can attend August semester of 2022. So if we will have 20 kids, or how many kids we may have by then, it will be a great honor for these kids that they will have the opportunity to spread their wings together with the eagle in America. And they can soar, they can fly high. They can fly as high as they can. But for us Tongans to be able to help these kids, I ask you, and I will keep asking you. I know these kids will come one way or another. I know there are people around the world that they have the mean, they can afford it, and those people can donate, and all these kids will come and they will feel that love and that help that they have. And I'm sure one day they would love to do the same to our future kids from our land. Henrietta cannot be in the program, even though she was in, but her connection cut off from Tonga. And I understand because the technology is a technical problem. But I want to extend her wish, to Beulah alumni. Henrietta is an ex-student of Beulah College. She has been trying to reach family members here in the United States of America, and I've been talking to her relatives, her father's uncle, and her uncle and her cousins. I've been talking to them. So in this program, I want you to know that Henrietta Fonua is already approved by the college to be able to attend. We are just on a stage that we need her sponsorship. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to know Viliami Polovili, aka Mount Malanga, I'm not a rich guy. I don't have the fund, but I have the heart. I have the love. I do care about these kids. And every time I travel throughout the states, I knock on people's door. I ask you to donate whatever you can. The money goes to, trying to get these kids to the United States, have to pay their tuition, have to pay their airfare, have to help them with a pocket money when they come, have to pay for their application, for their visa application to U.S. Embassy. I have to fix up homes so these kids will come in and comfortably live there in Trenton, Missouri. And I have organized those properties, and all these things can be done with your donation of whatever you can. Like Lupe said, if you cannot donate $100, you can do $20. And if you can't do $20, you can do $10. And technology these days, you just put a cele, Williami Polo Willie, you type my name on your cele, get my phone number there, sell your $100, it will be there right away. My number is 650-471-3961. I will ask Sylvester to put up my phone number on the screen so you guys can call me or you can sell me. And there are things that I want you people in Tonga to know. This opportunity is for you. If you are still in high school, I want you to listen carefully. This opportunity is for you. If you are not graduated this year, but you're going to graduate next year, or you have 2 years to go, make sure that you study hard, get your graduation, graduated from high school. And as soon as you graduate from high school, you contact me because the link will be sent to you. The link that I have has been given to me by the college. And the college is giving me the link, knowing that link you will be applying to the right semester, that you will have enough time to process your application and you can come to that semester. And I asked those kids that I sent you the link, please do not give that link to someone else. Your friend has to contact me, so I have to send the link to him or to her. And the reason why, because I need to talk with her, with him, like I talk to you and your parents. So when we talk and your parents feel comfortable, they are okay, then we go ahead and then I will send you or email you the link so you can apply. So that's how this program goes. It's so easy. I don't pick and choose. No. As soon as someone asks me, oh, can I apply? I ask you for your email. I ask you for your picture. I ask you for a copy of your passport. I ask you for your mom and dad's names. I ask you for where they come from. I ask you for a paragraph to write, one paragraph asking the world to help you. And that paragraph is the tool that I will use for people to donate to help you. That's why I ask you to write that paragraph in English so people could understand. So apart from that, I think I've been trying to explain this opportunity to all our high school graduated kids. Some are in Australia. Some relatives here, they told me, oh, Williami, my nephew, he is now picking fruit in Australia. It's okay, because he can still apply from Australia. And as soon as he goes back to Tonga, when he finishes his picking fruits, then he can come. It doesn't matter where you are in the world. Like Lupe now, she is in Berlin, Germany. So she applied from there. And if everything goes well, if U.S. Embassy in Berlin accepted her to have her interview there, then she can come from Berlin. A time will tell. Right now, all our U.S. embassy are closed. Fiji closed, New Zealand closed, but let's hope that they will open soon. And by then, hopefully, we will have sponsorships for these kids that they are already accepted by North Central Missouri College. Sylvester, if there's anything else you want to add on, um, you know, with we are just trying to reach those kids so they know the opportunity is there for them. Lupe, if you want to add on anything, how you get your link and how you apply, how you get your transcript sent, because all those kids back home want to know and help them.
Okay, thank you, Vidyami. Firstly, I got the link directly from Vidyami himself. He sent it through my email, and then I applied online through the school website, and also I sent in my transcript, like my CV from Nima Ono, to the school, and also and then me and the consultant, Mr. Jaime himself, and also Mitchell, and the admin, we wrote each other per email what each step next to do, and also what is about to do, and they give us instructions what to send them and what to give them. And now on my part of my application, my part is only my financial part that is left. I think that covers it all, Miriam.
Yeah, yes, Lupe, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah,
And
for the kids that they have been asking questions or how to apply,
mm,
to have us connected via Facebook
mm,
is the best. We have
oh,
to add friend. You have to add friend. We have to be friend on Facebook. That way, we use that platform to be able to talk to your parents and yourself, and we can see each other and talk to one another. And after knowing one another and
mm,
explaining everything else, then I will ask you for your email. And the reason why I needed your email, because I have to email you the link. And once you get the link on your email, you can use your email to apply for, to fill up your application and submit it to North Central Missouri College. And then you can contact them straight. You can communicate with them straight. They will help you. They will direct you. They will guide you. They will let you know what you need. So, like what Lupe said, the the most challenging part of that application is the financial sponsorship. It's a financial statement that it's needed by the government of America. It has to be legal. It's something that must be done because the college has to apply what the immigration law of the United States of America require. So we have to fulfill that and then be able to bring our kids. I don't see anything difficult at all. You know, we we do this program in English because we want the world to hear what we're saying. We want the non-common speaking people. We want our friends that they were not born in Tonga, but they are brothers and sisters, even though that they are white. We want them to hear us and then be able to help us. And that's why we are doing this in English. And I don't mind, Sylvester. You know, Sylvester, you might have some followers that they hardly understand Tongan, so they might be able to help us. But with this program, it's all for our children back home. to be able to come to the United States of America and continue their education on the #1 country of the world. I say this again. America is the #1 country of the world. This is the top of the world. And to bring our kids to be able to continue their education here, they will be access to the best. And they can be the best of the best. They can come, and even though it's a 2 years community college, to have their first degree and to achieve their Associate of Arts or AA, they can go from there on their way up to their bachelor or to their master or whatever level that they will choose. But the opportunity is there. So while I'm in Hawaii, I've been talking to families, friends here in Hawaii. Every time I have a chance, I talk to our community people that we are trying to bring all the kids from the island that graduated from high school. So Lupe, hang in there. We will find a sponsor. We will find donors that they will help donate, and soon there will be a sponsorship for you, and soon you will have an I-20. Mark my word, you will have an I-20 with all the other children that they already applied. Henrietta cannot connect with us. Some of the kids, they wanted to be in this program, but they are working and they cannot be in it. Na'aleka, she's working, but it's okay. There will be another program that we will have 10 of them from the island, Sylvester. But right now, we are so grateful that we have you, Lupe, in the program, and your family, your friends, your classmate, your schoolmate can see you, and it's good. It's good that they can hear your voice and see you and be able to read your what you ask from them. Sylvester, I see there's something on the screen, but I can't read it. So if it's a question, you can ask it. So you can tell me, or we can answer it for you. Sylvester, please.
It's not a question, Mamalanga. It's something that is in a comment that this guy said, "Kok family na naulava o hauki USA, hau visako na tokoni ki mau tolo he kakai o kai ke mau o kai ke mau family." So the next one kune o mai na sponsor mau tolo he ngai family tolo ke mau o ako i USA, mau North America, mau api, mau ngau lei, pe mau te tokoni lahi ke mau ngai family i Tonga. Yeah, just an input ki he. Tokolahi kakai unau nofo USA tai nimi mau sitseni mau ngau lelei, mau api ko uhi ko hau he whenga ko mi Tonga. Pena te tokoni lahi ki hono ki nau ngahi family i Tonga.
Sylvester, fa malo apito ke ngai ko meni ko ia. Ko ngai mo oni I mea apito foki. Oku ha mahino apito ia I community Tonga ko I Amerikani. Ai kakai na lava ha I hono tokoni ki na tolu e kakai ke he. Ko re tatau pe moini o whakahoko atu ki he Tonga koto ape. O wha malo atu apito ka te mo tolu koe ni o mo mau ha loto ki tokoni ki he whanau wako. Koe whanau wako e ni o te nau hoko pe o hange koe kaulawa mea koe ni ko nau osi hoko nau tolu koe kau whai ako. Nau alane nai ki BYU ko hiko ki Hawaii ni Sylvester. Alu pe au ke wau ki BYU ko hi o ko whaamu ke o e ngata pe hono o mai e kaure ka ke nau hau ke ki korisi. Ka lava foki ke toi o mai mo ta mai ki koe o nau OSPA ke nau hau ai ha nau maa. Pe ko ta mai ki koe os e nau ngahi general education ni ke nau al ke nau PA. Nau tala noa pe mo e kau admini koe a BYU ki hono o mai koe o tamaiki ako meitonga. O ilo ai, o ku ata au pito pe ke apply mai a tamaiki pe meitonga. Koe mea pe o ku fie mauia ke iai haa nau paanga ke lava totong e nau ngahi ako ka nau lava ha. So, aia koe mea ta tau pe ia o ku lava koe ke o mai ke ki korisi koe i Trenton, o ilo foki ai a hono kehe koe o totong yako. Ko totong yako koe a BYU, o ku paanga e ono afe, a semester taha. Aia, ko totong ia ki hataha o ku ikai ke kau ke siasi. Ka pau ku hataha ia o ku siasi, o ku paanga ia tolu afe ke semester taha. Aia, ka ku alpo ki ai, o siau he taimini ai, information katoa ko ia ki BYU he ko ilo pa tohi mai ka kai o kore mai ka viriam ko awia ku os e ku diploma aku ia me USP o ku rotonga whenga e ku PA ka ku kore atu pe te lava toko ni mai ke hoko te ku ako. Aia he kai ke ngata pe i ono whenga i kone e tau whana wako ke ki korisi mana tui foki o ku ia e Polokalama ai pure anga Amerika te foki ki California o to foki o sio ki ai o ko fia apito i he talanoa i he Polokalama ko ni na e tohi mai a aiona whakalata o ko hingoa aiona whakalata o ilo lile ia e he kaunga au i he potunga o eako atonga i hono taimi na e pure ako i ria hona pe a ngau he potunga eako e tohi mai aiona ke au ke u alu ki BYU o sio ki ai kana alu ki ai pe ko ngā ke u foki ko ki California pe tokoni mai ki au ke ngai matapa ke ko o Kuala Lava mau me he tokoni ai pure anga Amerika. So o whamalo apito ko loto ke whai e Polokalama ko kakai koe o koe na ngahi ilo ke ngai whenga maari ke o mai e tau whanau mei tonga o kore atu mou tokoni mai. Koe mou tokoni mai ke whakaino hino au e tokoni i au ke ngahi feitu koe ke o alo tuki ai o kui kai ke o fo i au ia i he alo tuki o koe mea ku whaingo fua ki au he ko whaingo fua ia pe au ia he alu koe o whai hakore ma ai whanau ko hinga pe ko hataha pe ke lava ha aia ko sa ia abito pe svesta ko loto pe ke talatu ke kakai he kai ke whakangata pe ai Polokalama koe ni ke o mai whanau ko o graduate me high school ko ne mau koe hamata pā koe ke tokoni i ai e ha whaahinga organisation i Amerikani hataha ke hau o ai ha ne maa koe ha mea toi tuku ai koe ha toi ta ofi ai ka pau maa whainga maari ke hau hataha ia o hoko atu hane bachelor koe ha ka toi tuku ai whenga i ke lava mai mona autolio hau whai na ngahi Polokalama ko ia ko me ko whaamu ke mahino ke kakai ko e tau Polokalama ko ni o kui kai ke iai ha whakangata ia e taha. Koe ke ha me e tene hanga ta ofi. Siasi, koe ke kawa siasi iai. Api ako na e ako ai, koe ke tawai bebe na ke ako i whe. Ureka me ni ua wawa uha apai e ua ha feitu upe tonga. Oku whainga maarie ke o mai koe. Tamasi i taahine oku whainga maarie ke o mai koe. Ko me beu mahu inga oso high school. Pate ke whakafono mai beo ngai application ni te ke hao pe o tu tatau mo lupe mo Henrietta mo kaureka I he fe ma o ka sponsor. Ka te tau tu pe ka tau kumi pe he ma o pe sponsor. Ai ko o tau tui o tokoni foke taimia ki hono solo vai Polokalama. O kuhanga pe taimia ia te ia pe o solo vai Polokalama. Ko inga he kuhanga he tau feinga o tau kaka mi he sitepu ki he sitepu. Ko e whiawhin si vesta ko tala noa tu ko I Hawaii. O fia e kakai Hawaii ni kumau tala noa nau petu taki ko nau mai family tonga ke nau apply mai kaureka me tonga. Family e kakai ko Hawaii ni kumau fia kato ai. Pea ko fia la he apita ko ki mo tolu ko ene mo komeni mai he tau Polokalama. O tau fia ai. Tau lue pe. Ko e tau Thanksgiving ien. O te tau hifo atu ki he Christmasi. Pe ke tau ilo nao ate ke Christmasi ko hanga e halau maari o we I haloto. Ke ne hanga foa ki ha mea ofa Christmas ki he tau whanau ko ni ke nau hao. We never know. Ko mea peho ko ke tau kore pe. Si vesta ko sio ke mea ko tohi I he screen. More pe ko kapau ko fehu I ko lava pe ke whahatala noa ki ai. Kapau ko hakomeni ko lava pe ke whahatala noa ki ai.
Ia, mamalaka ko ki whehu I taha ko ni une pe mai. Whewhe kapau ku no fo ova e ngō mātua I Amerikani. Ka koe whanau o kui tonga. E ngari whainga taa. Na e whanau ko ia ke o mai.
Ko whaampe ke whakamahino. Ko e mea ia ai ambassador Amerika. Ke ne whai ai decision. Ko mao atu koe ai 20 koe ai leka. Pea alu leka o interview ki he ene visa koe ke haua ko. O kui kai ke uhanga e au o tala atu io pe Ikai. Ko mea peo ko tala atu apply e leka ia. Penga tau tolu ke mau penga tau tolu ke mau I-20 te tukwanga re kaya ke alo whaine interview. O kui kai ke utui e hanga e ambassador Amerika o whakamau I ki tamasi I mo ki tahine ki hono whainga maari e ako I he ova ene tamai pe ko ene whae. Ko me pe ko lava tala atu o kui kai ke u predetermined pe ko hae mea e hoko ai ko loto pe au ke apply tamai kia panau na tolo interview. Let the US Embassy make that decision. O pe o ko tari atu ai whakatala noa whai mai he pehu isi westa.
Koi.
Pako whaampe he pe ke kakai. Mana tui koe mea koe ni os ilo pe e Amerikani. Ka muhanga whakatonga I koe pure anga koe ni o paiteni. Paresteni koe ni e taimini. O kune whakaawa e pōta. Whakaawa e pōta o hau e kakai hau ta e pepa e lau mano ki Amerikani. Mana tui. Koe hau koe aere ka koe o fōu mai he matapato tonu. O tau tui o whaingo fuange ki ai a whainga maari e ke hao o ako. I he whakaawa koe ne fūpōta koe ne ulongoa a Amerikani. O whakaawa e paiteni ke hao e lau mano I Amerikani. Even 100,000 people. You know, now crossing my border, wide open. You know, tau whakaonga I tau tole e whainga maari e koe ni ki hoi tau kaureka tau tole interview. And then we take it from there. Koe wat koe interview pa nau hau, koe tau hip re malo whawhetai. Pie fia haike. Siwesta ko malo atu apito he taimi o kuma o molupe. lupe whamaloa tapita ho o maa ki taimi. Koe koloa pokia sayange network a siamane madu ko siamane ko siamane sai apita na teknologia. Koe si whanau me tonga kwa ofa. Koe whenga te network aia ku mate si nau network a nau tō pa koe nau lava o tau ke tūtaki. Kane ngoia ku e ai pe taimi mau si anau whenga maari ke nau kau mai he Polokalama. Ka koe whamalola he to apita. O Univeesi Vesta ku me o se ta taimi. Ako whaam ke whaangai whenga maari ko ni ke whai tala monu ki he tonga koto ape. Ko i he maunofo Amerikani ko mau ngahi aho Thanksgiving ien. Aya ko apongpong ko Thanksgiving Amerikani. O ko fie tala monu ke tonga koto ape ke mo mau ha Thanksgiving lele. I kai ko ia ape u tau hanga tpokeni ki he whai tau Christmasi. O ko ate tala monu ke tonga koto ape tau teu ki he Christmasi ke tau mau ha teu Christmas fia. O ko ongo foki he taimta tau pe ko hui kai ke tuku e ui ai o tua ki he ngahi kupo e ngahi whamiri. O ui ki nau tolu me he mo uini ki he tua pui e taha. O ko ate ai o whalahi pa me netue ka Ikale Vakai ki he ngahi loto whare ko ia. Tau whawhetai pe ko ui ho tau taha e he o tua ke to o mea te ia ai mamahi mo e whaingata a i he mo ui kakano koe ni. Ka nau alua ki nau tolu ki ta wha aki koe o e fie maarie ka tau hoko atu ki tau tolu i he whainga i he mama whaingata ani. Koe taha ia ai mea he kai ke tau pure ki ai. Oku ai o tua a e tau mo ui. E ko taimi koe tene awe ai ki tau tolu. Tau whawhetai pe. Ia tau neongo pe te tau tangi he mawai. Ka tau whawhetai pe. He tau ilo koe palani o whamo ui ai o tua. Ko tau hala koe ke tau whetau laki pa mo e tau tamai o kui he wani. Ko e tau fou he mate. Ka tau whawhetai na e hanga he o tua. Fua ke ono alo ko kalaisi. Kene polo ai toi tuu pia mei whaitoka. Pia iai ai amanaki kia te ki tau tolu ka tau kamate. Te tau toi tuu pe. Pia kai ke ngata he tau toi tuu te tau wheiloaki mo tau whamiri. Pia tau nofo ta e ngata o whata tau ki he palani e tamai he wani. Siwesta o ko o whalahi atu apito ki a koe. O ko whie whafofongai atu e netue ka Ikale Vakai Univeesi e mautala monu atu kia te koe pia mo whamiri. Tawan ke mo mau ha Thanksgiving lelei. Kai koe ape ke mo mau ha teu Christmas lelei. Whamalo atu no kei whakawhainga maario e tau Polokalama. Kei kau atu e tau Polokalama netue ka Ikale Vakai Univeesi. Neongo wikai ke mau up to date atu hono tokoni e tau mea ngāwe. Ka ku mau ofalahi atu apito mo mau honga ia. Ikai ke ngatai. Koe ngahi whamiri koto ape. Maheni. Ka inga me he halamanga ono. O koe tau Polokalama ini. Koe whanau o ku whaingata ape ke mau apply mai. Koe whepe hataimi ko atai ai ambassador Amerika. Ke lava e tau whanau o interview ke mau e na wisa koutui. O ku Ikai mo hato e tokoni lele iange ka kono whengai mai. O e tau whanau me tonga ke nau hao hako i Amerikani. Mo nau tupu hake ai foki i he uponua ko eni. O ku lahi au pito hono ngahi whainga maari e. Pea ki he pare mia pea mo e kau taki e whonua. Oku mau tala monu atu. Mau tala monu atu i he ngā ue lahi. Hono teu ke whiri ha tau pare mia who. Mau tala monu atu i he teu e whetongi o e kau whafofonga wharearea. Oku mau tala monu atu ke mo mau ha tāpuaki. O a ngahi whakahafa fo itui. Ko uhi ko e ngahi whatongia koto ape. Oku mo fuesia. ke hoko ia ko ngai mau anga tāpua ki ma ki motol fa po tuitui pe mo ngai family pe kai ko ia pe lave ai tonga ko pe e ngai tāpua ki ko ia ma ho tau fonua ko ia ko o falai hat apito o falai hat ke whanau ko ni ko mo osi apply mai ki tau ki apiako o falai hat ka te mo tolo o mo ke fetu taki mai te ke tau felongo aki a koe o whalahi atu ke tonga koto ape, tawangi ke tāpua kina ki motol, pe a whakamonu ia ai ngai whenga koto ape si vesta, o pe o whalahi atu pa me netueka Ikale Vakai ke tau Polokalama koe ni leverewa malanga tau atu.
Ha malo pito e mamalanga, pe wha malo atu lupe lava tau Polokalama koe e whewhini, wha malo atu e kau whanongo he lava ke tau whanonga mai he Polokalama Ikale Vakai i he Univeesi, tau to e whetalonga ki pe he taimta tau i kahau ka mo mea.